giving us some errors, so we are trying to fix it.
Hmm. I mean, we were trying to run this, Priyanka, which we are not able to run. Okay. Then we also need to add the CDN. Oh, this should be enough, right? Add the CDN and the rest. Okay. Hmm. It's not coming up yet. Yeah. Okay. Index is already coming up. See, welcome Narendra.
Now it is working.
It's working now. Ayush, okay? Ayush Gupta Goyal. So, so only thing that is required to change is we need to change the CDN. So yesterday we were trying to do the view router 4. Now it's supposed to be view router 3. Gupta, Goyal.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, go.
So if we do like this, then it will come. Even the screencast code is working. I mean, if you directly run it, it's not going to work. And since I have index.html, it's taking directly. Okay, fine. Now we shall go to graded. Priyanka, don't worry. You'll be able to understand it. What is happening? Okay.
Okay.
One or two questions. If you see, then you will automatically understand. First question: who wanna take it? Ayush Gupta,
Yeah,
Goyal, you wanna take it?
yeah, yeah.
Ah, sure, bro. Come on.
Okay, so consider the following markup index.html and JavaScript app.js for a view application.
Mm-hmm.
So we have div id question, then we have our outlet 2 equals to name home, it has home, then we have our outer link 2 equals to name profile,
Hmm.
parameters name Abhishek
Hmm.
and profile. So we have app.js, constant home is equals to template h1 home, oh sorry, home, then profile equal template hello, having name, and then props name.
Hmm.
Then we have roots part name home, component home, and part profile name profile, props true. Okay, so basically this. Now what's the question? Gokul, can you scroll down? Okay. What will be rendered inside the router view when user loads the application for the first time and when user clicks on the link profile, respectively.
Hmm.
Okay, so when we will click uh, at the on the first page, it will show I think home, then it will show hello, and then the name Abhishek. Hello Abhishek.
Okay, for the first page, it's gonna show like home. Then the second page of the profile
Hello
page,
Abhishek.
home and hello Abhishek. You're right. Okay. So shall we also once try this code?
Okay, so this is what I understood.
Hmm.
There are two router links
Yeah, Priyanka, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah. So two router links. So one is home and one is profile. Yeah.
Hmm.
So home we have put as default. We can see those create routers. Yeah. Yeah. This constant router, new view counter, this thing router. So here we have put that our default this thing as base. Yeah. So we go to slash and slash what we saw earlier in the
HTML.
HTML. Yeah. HTML. It was the home. Actually, routers that they have defined. Yeah. Then it is, so it goes to home.
Hmm.
And then how does the router link this profile and parameters? How do they get connected to profile?
Repeat. How does? Which line?
This, see, we have written here, no? If we see in the HTML, they have written name is profile, parameters name Abhishek. Yeah.
Hmm.
So this actually what is indicated by profile and what is indicated by name Abhishek.
Okay. So this profile is basically the component.
Acha, profile is the component. Okay, okay.
And component is also profile, right? Okay.
Yes.
That's the first thing. And if you see, for the profile component, it's accepting a parameter name,
Yeah.
right? So on the parameter, they are passing it inside.
And by doing props is true, for example, yeah, what we are doing, we are connecting them, is it? The name to the, in the template to the props.
Yeah, we are telling that it should accept a props.
Okay.
See, look at this. Here, props we have name.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah. So let's go back to the page and see. Mhm.
No, you have to give the name, huh?
Yeah, it's here. Home, hello, Abhishek. Okay.
Where have you put Abhishek for it to give you Abhishek? Where have you put Abhishek?
Yeah, we have put it here.
Acha.
See, params.
Okay. Yeah.
Hmm? Profile, whatever it is accepting. Okay, guys. Ayush
Yes.
Gupta,
Yeah.
you have any doubt? Okay. Next question will be for Ayush Gupta because he seems like he's sleeping. Let's see what is there in the solution. Because base property of the router instance slash a component associated with slash which is home will be rendered inside the router view component. Once the user clicks on the profile, the user will be rendered redirected to the route with the name profile along with the parameter name equal to Abhishek. Hmm. So props equal to, so parameter will be passed as props. So answer C is correct. That's okay, I think. And the parameter name will be passed. And why is this profile? What's the use of profile here? So that's okay, I think. Name profile component also profile.
That's the name of the component now, whichever
Isn't this
the path will render after you will go to it.
isn't this the name of the component?
Yeah,
That's the name of the component. Then what is this name?
I think if you will not pass that Abhishek from there, then it might say profile in place of Abhishek.
Acha, is it so?
Hmm.
Shall we try that?
Yeah,
See, we are not gonna pass the parameter. So we are not passing the parameter and it's not saying profile though. Mm-hmm.
No, here also we have name is profile, no? So there also we have name profile. So I think they are somehow connected. Okay, please.
Maybe. So if I give profile 1 here, okay, will it be able to connect? Exactly, it's not able to connect. So when I give profile 1 here, and if I give profile 1 here, it's not
It's just component.
exactly. Yeah. So there's something like div ID, bro.
So what is it? This is sort of what you're telling?
I told like div ID because in HTML we used to give ID equal to app, and in CSS also we used to put the dot app, if you remember,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
Okay.
So same way. So in HTML you are giving name equal to profile one, and in JavaScript also you are giving name equal to profile one. So this is how they both get connected.
Okay. I think if you will see in the slash also, no, it says name is home. So I think that is you are right. So this is sort of it tells, you know.
This the slash profile is nothing but the route, which route
Yeah,
it should go, and this profile is basically the component.
correct.
That's okay. This profile is okay. Like it's just referring to the previous one.
Correct. This is straightforward. Yeah.
Okay. Hope it's clear for Aish Gupta also, right? Aish Goel also.
Yeah.
Great now. Okay. Aish Gupta, go ahead.
Yeah, bro. Consider the following markup: index.html and JavaScript app.js for a view application. So we have this view application where a component has been created that has some template with division name is equals to name, and of course the router view, which will initialize the router,
Hmm.
and we have prop that is name, and we have that constant another component that is test, which contains a template with division h1 tag and test run that has value as runs.
Hmm.
Okay, so now we have data function which returns the runs is equals to 5000.
Hmm.
Okay, so now we have another component that is const day one day, which consists of template one day runs,
Hmm.
which consists of runs. Okay, that consists of runs of one day, which has a function data which returns 10,000 run.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, now we have we have now const route, which consists of path as first is like player route player, and which has name variable, I think,
It's
that
path parameter.
parameter, I think.
Yeah.
And then we have component player children.
Hmm.
Then we have children. Okay, what is this children thing here? Like, okay, let's see.
Mhm.
So path here, the path is first is like the
Empty path.
normal flash.
Hmm.
Then we have component one day.
Hmm.
Okay, it's component one day. Then we have path slash test that has component test. Okay, so we have then path slash one day, which consists of component one day. Okay,
Hmm.
now the props is true. Okay, the
This
prop.
means that
Okay,
all the other path. It could be anything else. Okay.
okay. If there is any other path, then
Hmm.
component is test. Okay,
Yeah.
so we have this router. We have the object of router,
Hmm.
view router, which consists of base as this
Hmm.
slash, and we have now created the view app,
Yeah.
initialize that router.
Hmm.
Okay,
Index.html, view
so
router, blah blah blah. Hmm.
yeah. So suppose the application is running on localhost 8080, and user visits the URL localhost 8080 कहते हैं hash player Rohit. Okay, so the variable name is Rohit,
Mm-hmm.
and player is okay. So we are talking about here player, and his name is Rohit.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
So here name is Rohit, and the component player. We will go to component player first, I think.
Hmm.
So
They
here
are
we are
setting up
having.
right now, so I think we have to go to children and see what it will do for them.
And it is giving us 1 day, right?
Yeah, because it's blank, no, we have not indicated anything. So
So shall we run
default,
this and see?
yeah.
Then we'll get more insights. Okay. I think we are doing what? Rohit, I think, right? Slash player slash Rohit.
Yeah.
It's coming up here. Hey, now it's working here, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So one thing I can see is that they are passing in as lowercase. Okay, and they are getting the output as uppercase, which is not going to happen. See, if we give lowercase, it's going to be lowercase. Only if we give uppercase. Okay,
Then it will
you
work.
can mark it as none of the above.
And it should be right.
Yeah, even if none of the above is also right. Okay. Wait a minute. Are we in this question? No, I think. Are we in that question?
No, that's practice assignment. We aren't graded.
Acha, okay, sorry for that.
Oh, it does
Yeah,
not have
still,
any mark.
the player Rohit, that's there. Okay. So yeah. Um. So what are we looking at? So if we are not passing anything else after,
By default, it will come to 1 day only.
yeah, after Rohit, by default it is coming to 1 day. If we give test, this is this will be easy to change from one to another. Yeah. So if we give test, it should go to test. So that's what I gave slash test, and it went to test. And if I give slash 1 day, it'll again go back to 1 day. And if I give blah 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 blah, blah, it will go to test. See, because all the other routes we are giving it to test. Usually it will give us what, URL not found. Do you guys remember? 404.
Ye-
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Every time.
Every time it will be like 404, but at this time it's not going to give like that. Okay.
Yeah, it has given some type of like safe
By
landing.
default.
By
Yeah.
default path for other paths. Hope it's clear for all, right?
Yes.
But I don't think that if we will ask to do something like this, we will be able to do by our hands. Like,
Bro, this is the first time, right? You'll be able to you see, without running that, you are able to answer this. Actually, the questions are easier. I mean, you can try to guess it, that's all. That's more than enough.
yeah.
Okay. Nothing has been modified after blah blah blah. The component associated with the path inside the children list will be rendered inside the router view of the player component template, which is 1 day. So option A. Fine. Okay. So see, they are doing same. What will be rendered by the browser? Player Rohit test. It's gonna be name Rohit, test runs 5000, right?
Correct.
See?
Correct.
Ayush, okay? Go ahead.
Yeah.
Yes, Paul.
Okay, good. hmm So they are saying T20. So this is something which is not there, right? So it will just render test 5000. We have seen this
Yeah, B.
also.
Correct, correct.
See, nice that we have seen all those things.
Only one thing I want to check. See, he is giving, where the component, he had defined the path star as test, correct?
Repeat path star as last.
Test, no?
Yeah,
Like
test. Okay.
in the paths, yeah, in the routes,
Hmm.
yeah, he is telling. So what I want to see is whether is it that you have to write slash player slash name and then something, or is it that we can write just nothing? Matlab, maybe we can stop after hash or player or somewhere we can stop. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So for anything else, yeah. Okay.
For anything it's working. So if you put player, okay, and then if you put slash,
It's for any other path than specified
yeah,
on the server.
Priyanka, okay.
Yes.
All right, great. Yeah, this question will be for yes.
Yeah. So consider the following markup in JavaScript. So in the HTML, we have an ID app. We
Yes,
have
just please 1 second. Just I had one small question. In the
Yeah.
earlier question, no, we had, if you see the HTML, no, in the HTML, we had only router slash view, router dash view slash, and there was no starting, not
Yeah, yeah, nothing is here. Tell me.
not here. Go to the JS. Go to JS, please.
Mhm.
Where is that? Yeah, here. You can see in the template player,
Hmm.
he is telling router dash view slash.
Hmm.
Now, how does this get connected to the index HTML?
Okay. So look at this. So you have new router view, right? I mean new view router, which is accepting the routes, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay, and that router you I mean this router you're connecting it to the new view object. Okay,
correct.
so if you go to the routes and see, this is what the routes are,
Correct.
right? Okay, you just have only one, basically only one route, right?
Yes.
Slash player blah blah blah, and then this is like no for any route. Okay, so so when you go to these kind of route, it will connect with these components. Okay, Priyanka.
Huh.
Hmm? So on the components, these are fine, and I think you're okay with this, right?
Yeah,
The path
this
is
is I'm okay. Yeah, I'm
children.
only not understanding that the way it is written. The
Uh-huh.
view,
So when
view
you use this router view there, okay,
yeah.
see router view, this is connecting with that.
Okay, but like we have not sort of put starting and beginning. We have just put like just router dash view slash. So rest I want to know whether that is also allowed sort of to connect.
Mm.
So I think that is also another way of writing probably. Yeah.
See, look at how this is rendering, Priyanka.
Ah,
So that router view, whatever is in this, okay, will be replaced by, it's kind of like getting replaced by whatever is in this template.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, and again you have another router view here, which means this will be replaced by this template, the children template. You got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Do you understand a little bit?
Yes, little bit yes.
Hmm.
Okay.
See, we have the blah blah blah. So this router view is gonna be replaced. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah, same here. So
So
this
this is
route,
to connect children basically, yeah? Sort of.
that was for connecting the children, and this is for basically connecting the parent to the HTML.
Correct. Correct. Okay.
Great. Okay. I think this is for Yash. Yes.
Yes, yes. So in the HTML, we have two outer links, one to post
Hmm.
and one to profile.
Mm-hmm.
And then there is a router view.
Hmm.
Yeah. Let's go to the JS file. We have a component profile which will just display the paragraph profile page,
Hmm.
and the post component which will give users post. Now inside the routes, we have defined all the routes to profile to post, and the rest of them will go to post.
Hmm.
Okay, so in the view router, we have defined the routes, and in that we have registered the router.
Hmm.
Okay, fine. So suppose the application is running on localhost. If after running the application in new tab for the first time, browser's history stack is empty, and the user clicks on the link profile, then which of the following statement is true? Okay, so can we check the route for profile once again? In the yeah. If you will click on profile, it should go to component profile, and component profile should display profile page.
Hmm.
So now let's see the options. Profile page will be rendered inside outer view. The user will not be able to navigate back to the default page because page using browser's back button. Okay. Profile page will be rendered inside outer view. The user will be able to navigate back to the default post page using. So post
Okay.
will be rendered
This
inside outer view.
Yeah, this is talking about the back button, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So shall we try this?
Yeah.
So like in void cases, back button won't work. Like
Yeah, yeah. 1 minute. I think sir used to do this on the Kingcast, going for back button. Okay. Now that we are here, okay. So if I go to profile post, it's going there. If I go to back button, okay.
Our stack is not empty. I think that's the point.
Yes. So let me do one thing.
Reload the page. And,
Hmm. See, I'm not able to go back.
Acha. So stack only means like history, is it? This they said that stack history stack is empty. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So that means only there is no history. Yeah. Okay.
So will directly come a profile page. Okay. So I'm coming here. So if we come here for a hash, we are having user posts, right? So now if I click on profile post, it's going to profile, but we don't have the back button or the front button,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
So if I click on the profile again, in profile post, it came back to post. Okay, now it is back button is there, but if I go back here, yeah, profile, oh, post, profile and post. Okay, okay. So let me retry this. It seems like we have to clear the stack again. Okay, I'm doing it again. Now we don't have a back button because we just opened it. So I think now we are in user post. We are in post, right? I'm going to profile and we don't have a back button. Go to post. Now we are in the third page. Now we are in the fourth page. If I go to back, it's going to post. Profile page. Go back. Okay. All right. Something is happening. Profile page will be rendered inside the view router. The user will not be able to navigate back to the default post page using the browser's back button. Can someone explain if you understood?
Uh, not
So we are here, application new tab, and the clicks on the profile. Hmm. So when the browser stack is empty and we click on the profile, the back button is not there. That we can see. And why is that?
Shall we read the solution?
Sorry?
Shall we read the solution?
Yeah, that's what we're doing. Go ahead. Yes.
Once the user visits the app for the first time, post component will be rendered inside the router view and slash post will be posted inside the browser's history stack.
Hmm.
So because po- slash post is the component that will be displayed for any other path as we have defined in our app.
Mhm.
So when the user click on profile component will be rendered inside the router view and slash post will be replaced with the slash profile because of replace props. So the browser's history stack will look something like slash profile.
Hmm.
So user will not be able to go back to default post page using browser's back button.
Okay.
Initially, it's slash post which is being rendered. When you will click on profile, slash post will go inside the history stack, and
And when we give slash post, it's replacing the slash profile, right? See, because of replace of props, right?
it drops.
Hmm. Look something like slash profile. By the way, there is no props in this, but it's internally. I think it's happening, right?
I think we will have to look at that how this browser history stack works.
Correct. Exactly. Huh. See this question. This second next is continuation. Suppose the application is running. If another application, if after running the application in the new tab for the first time, and the user clicks on the profile and then post. Okay. So we gave profile and then post. Then the back button was enabled, right? As we remember. So now this will be like user post will, yeah, because profile and then clicking this, the user will not be able to navigate down.
It is only telling to the default post page. He is not telling that you will not be able to navigate back.
Okay. So this seems like the default post page, right?
Yes.
Okay. Opening it again. Okay. So first we go to profile page, then the post page, right? Using the back button.
Yeah, but you can't go back to the default post page. This is
Huh.
what we do.
Okay. So basically, what we are able to understand from here is first time we are rendering, you know. Okay. So first time it is rendering some user profile. I mean, sorry, user post, right? So this is not getting stored into the memory. Okay. If we click on profile, okay, this is getting stored into the memory, and this will be like, it's replacing what was there in the first time. Okay, now if I give post and if I give go back button, so this will be like the home page. Still, you got the point, Prinka?
Yeah.
Kind of.
So this should basically work with anywhere. So that means if we clear the history, if
Huh.
we clear the history
Mm.
and we open some default page, I don't know whatever that Google must be the default page or somewhere.
Mm.
Yeah, whatever you expect as your default page, you clear the history. So you will supposing then you put something, so you cannot go back to the default page. Is it like that, or is it only for this program?
Only for this
Because
one. Only for this one. Right. The basically just like how we saw the solution, it is replacing the first page, nothing else. See,
okay,
when the user clicks on no, okay, once the user visits the app for the first time, post component will be rendered. That's right, we are able to see the slash user post, right? Okay,
correct,
will be pushed inside the browser's history stack. Okay, so when the user clicks on profile component, profile will be rendered, and slash post will be replaced with the slash profile. So you're replacing that, so which means the first page is getting replaced. You're not adding more into the stack.
correct, correct,
Okay, so that is why when you click on the other thing and come back here, so that is why the default page is not, you're not able to go back. So user will not be able to go back to the default page.
correct.
Same is happening here also, right?
It's the same question
Yeah, it's
actually.
the same question, but
Yeah,
it's like what is going to be rendered next.
correct, correct.
Mhm. So we'll be able to go back to the profile, but we won't be able to go back to the default post page using the back button, right? So again,
Correct.
the answer seems to be the same, stack history. So at the end of the stack will look something like slash profile and slash post. Even though we started with slash post, so that's getting replaced. So yeah, so user will not be able to navigate back to the default post page. So is that okay for Ayush? Yes, yes. Are you
Yeah,
okay with
bro.
this?
Yeah.
Great. Goel, Gupta.
Yeah, Goel is not here, but it is okay for me.
All right, good, fine. So far so good. So yeah. So this question, who's supposed to take? Priyanka, are you supposed to take this?
Yes. Okay, I will try.
Mm-hmm.
So here, this is the DivID app. So
Okay, I think
support.
Priyanka, you were not there yesterday, so shall we give this to someone else?
Okay, okay, no problem.
Yeah, Ayush Gupta, can you try this? Because this is new for her, right? Vuex store. Ayush Gupta, try this.
Okay. Yeah. So we need to fill the code one inside the product's computed property.
Here, okay.
Okay.
In
In
order
order
to
to render the name and prices of the different products. Okay.
name and prices of the different products. Okay, fine. Let's go back to HTML.
So we have table which has table row,
Hmm.
two table rows, and inside them there is table data that consists of product and prices.
Mm-hmm.
And inside that we have a for loop which iterate over the product and give the product name and product price.
Hmm.
Okay,
Good, good.
so we can visualize that table.
Yeah.
Never mind. Okay, now we have app.js which consists of store, which has this store object which is view okay, new vuex dot store
Mm,
state
mm,
count 0,
mm,
products are apple, price is 120, and another product is banana whose price is 60.
mm.
So we have now new view. We have created the object of view without storing it to any variable, and we have now store is equals to store computed, in which we have product as a function, and now we need to return the code so
Hmm.
that we can get the values of name and
So
price.
I think this is basically like how you're gonna get the. I mean, from the store you're gonna get the products. How you're gonna get it exactly? Store dot state dot products. Huh? I mean, how you're gonna take the products from the store? So store dot state dot products. Okay, I mean, that's how it is taken. right?
Yeah, simple, simple.
Simple.
See what the state is doing there actually.
Priyanka, repeat.
The state.
Ah,
State they have put. No, what is it doing actually?
This is similar to data for component. For store, there is a state, and for component, there is data.
Okay.
And basically, this is doing the state management, the store
What is it doing? State?
management.
Acha.
So basically, when you will, we have learned this in the initial weeks of our course that whatever renders on the display depends on our application state, right?
Correct.
So this application state management is done using the CUX library.
Okay, yeah.
so we'll just once render this and see, right?
This store is standard word or what?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it's standard word.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not rendering the products. Probably should be an error because this is Vuex, right? Now we are into a new
We
one.
have to write the code now
Which one, bro?
and replace that code one.
No, I think we need to put the CDN for Vuex. Copy the code. What do you mean? Which code you're
I
saying?
guess
Like
you
have
will have to install it because it is library.
So you want me to install it using npm?
I'm not sure of this. Must get because getting started of
Let's see. Let's also go and check in getting started.
okay, so there's a npm also and the script also. Okay. If you will include the script, it will install itself automatically.
I think we should take this, right?
You can directly just have that script and it will do automatically, right?
No, bro, this is saying like path to vuex.js, no?
No, of this, see the line, include Vuex after view and it will install itself automatically. Yes, they are waiting.
Okay. Saying it's not getting installed.
Can you see what is written? Include Vuex after view and it will install itself automatically. Programming is like
See, now it's
experiment
rendering.
in chemistry, isn't it?
Yeah, hey, it's coming up now, guys. I hope. Okay.
So what you have done there, only you have not added that, you also added something else, is it?
No, I just added the, the CDN. I added the CDN from this place, this one, or you can say like this one also global.js. So I added the CDN. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll move further. So that one was okay. I think that was easy. So Priyanka, I think you were also able to understand that, right?
Okay, yeah.
One can from the central store, blah blah blah. And Priyanka, would you like to do this, or do you want to give it to someone
Yeah,
else?
yeah, I'll try. Yeah.
Okay, you try.
What is it? Fill in code 1 inside a mutation handler, which can be used to reduce the price of each of the products in the state by a certain discount.
Hmm.
Okay, reduce price state.
So
Okay,
we have the
discount
same
10.
thing and
Okay, yeah.
reduce price state. Hmm.
Okay, so it should be uh, this dollar store state products for each product. Okay, product price is equal to state dot discount divided by 100 into product price. Okay,
So I think
what is this dollar?
one second, Priyanka. So the last line,
Yeah.
every all the four options we have the
Yes,
same,
yes, correct. Yeah.
right? State dot discount, yeah. So it will be like store dot state dot how it is gone, right? State
Yeah,
discount.
yeah.
Hmm.
It should come like this only, no? This dot store state products for each product.
Mm-hmm. But you're passing in directly the state. I mean, see, reduce
Acha.
price state. Seems
Okay,
like you're
okay.
passing the state.
State. So then maybe we can go for state dot products for each. I don't know whether we can do commit or something. I don't know.
For each product, it's gonna reduce this. The mutation handler receives the state as its first argument. Exactly, that's what, right? So state as its first argument, the discount needs to be applied on each of the products. So state dot discount. Okay, Priyanka.
Yeah, the only thing is you please explain in what case, if supposing he was not giving anything, in what case answer one could be there, A could be the correct option.
Let's see that. Let's first run this and then we'll see that. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have it here. Index.js. So discount is like 10%. Okay. Fine. Okay. Let me close this. Some error. Exactly. Why is it saying like path to? Yeah, this one it's throwing error. But what's happening?
That path is required there.
Hmm?
Uh, we have not really created any app, right?
Why?
In our JS. In our JS, have we created any app?
Oh my god, no.
So this is just the store.
Mm-hmm. So I should just replace this one, right?
Yeah.
The store, computer, um, fine. I think should we add the mutations? I think it's okay. I think let's see. I don't know how to put in the mutations. Any idea?
No. What they demonstrate in information.
Okay. So we'll see to this how to get the output like that. Yeah, we'll go further.
Great.
We don't have time.
Shall we call it for the day?
Yeah,
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 yeah.
okay, okay. Yeah, it's
Thank
also
you very much.
7:40, right? You also have to go, right?
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, Priyanka, so we are calling it a day.
Okay. Yeah. Bye.